So you see these crunchy cutlets? Hello everyone, this is Kritika. Welcome to Happiness Multiplied. Today we are going to prepare some special cutlets made with poha. No breadcrumbs, no maida is required. So let's see the ingredients required to make these poha cutlets. Half cup of coriander leaves, 1.5 cup of poha, 2 boiled potatoes, 2 green chilies, 1 onion, half lemon or 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 4 tablespoon of oats, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon salt or as per taste. Let's start making these delicious cutlets. Take 1.5 cups of poha. Add almost 2 cups of water to it. And let the poha rest for 5 to 6 minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, strain out all the water from the poha. Make sure to remove the water completely. I am using a spoon to remove the water. This will ensure that cutlet will not break in the oil. After straining the water, let the poha rest for another 10 minutes. This will help poha to absorb all the moisture and will become soft. Then it will be easy to make a dough from it. After 10 minutes, make a dough from it by meshing it properly. Now take the boiled potatoes, mash it well and mix it with poha. Now add finely chopped onions, finely chopped coriander leaves, squeeze out lemon. This is around 1 tablespoon of lemon. Then add all the dried spices. Give it a mix. Add finely chopped green chilies. Give it a mix. Now add 4 tablespoons of oats. Oats will give a very nice binding to the cutlets and makes the cutlets crispy. So you don't need to add any kind of breadcrumbs or maida to the cutlets. Mix it well and make a dough from this. The dough is now ready. Take small portions from the dough and make a shape like this. You can give any shape of your choice. Make all the cutlets in the same way. The cutlets are now ready to be fried. I am going to deep fry them. If you do not want too much oil, you can shallow fry them as well. Just take a small portion of dough and make a shape like this. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and shallow fry them. Now heat oil in a deep frying pan. Before putting the cutlets, make sure the oil is hot. You can test it by putting a small piece of dough. If it comes upward, that means the oil is hot. Now lower the flame and put all the cutlets inside the oil. Just fry them on a medium flame until it becomes golden brown. I will give you one tip here. Before putting all the cutlets inside the oil, you can just put one cutlets and first check if it is not breaking inside the oil. If it is perfectly coming, then put all the cutlets inside the oil. It's done now. Take it out. Your cutlets are now ready to be served. Serve it hot with tomato ketchup or green chutney. Like this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Happy cooking, happiness multiplied.